Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to a 1/64 scale video of this Pick 'em Up M2 set, which I think looks very cool. So I saw it in the store sitting for at least 2 months, so I finally decided to get it. This is the 1979 Dodge M150 Power Wagon Pick 'em Up. Basically, I think that's because of the OH. And the 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner Hemi, which is like a project car. And then you also get this trailer. I don't think I'm going to keep the trailer, but I think we'll see. So let's get into this. Let's open it up, get it out, get it off the base, and have a closer look. It's really rare for me to get these like bigger cases, not cases, but like I don't know what you call them. I keep forget. For some reason forgot. So like these sets, it is very rare. I actually was surprised that I was able to even. They even showed up in my country. Basically, that's more of the reason I've been trying to say. So let's get off this acrylic case that doesn't want to come off for some reason. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Come on. Okay, there we go. Don't need that. So, okay, let's get the truck off first. That's not working out. Let's try the M2 screwdriver. Yeah, that works. Not very comfy to use, but at least it does the work. So the truck is off. Are these? Yeah, they're screwed on also. I really don't like these, but what can you do? Nope. That's too thin. Oops. That was a runaway screwdriver. Should be coming off right now. It's still stuck on this side. Okay, there it goes. Okay, there's the truck. Okay, so and now let's get the trailer, and then we'll also have to unscrew the car from the trailer. That one is a tight one. I think M2 should be also getting into that idea that of the new green light packs are doing with the like this lock on the bottom, and that's it. Not these screws. It's just unnecessary resources in my opinion. Okay, that's that. So now we just need to get the car again off. It's just a lot of screws. That annoys me actually. I had like some kind of a miniature, I don't know, electric screwdriver. This would be a whole lot faster, a whole lot easier, and everything else like that. Okay, so there's all of that. Finally, all the screws are off. So let's check out this trailer first. So I really don't like that there's like holes everywhere. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. Also has like the base screws there. So it is pretty, I don't know, not really. Don't really like it. I don't see any use for it, for myself at least. I know it, I understand it's meant to be like connected with the truck. You can actually tow it, but I can hear the metal and everything rubbing, so I think this will, I'll probably trade this or sell it off to somebody who maybe wants it more than I do. So it has a little bit of a banana shape to it. If you look, doesn't want to focus for some reason, maybe it's because of this. I don't know, but it has a bit of a banana shape to it. And I don't really want to break it, so I'll leave it as it is. So that's that. So let's check out the truck first. So this is the biggest issue that, of course, everybody's been saying, is that the M2 needs to do these truck beds deeper, because that looks not really good. Like, look how much space they have to do that, and I have no idea why they just don't use it. It's probably because they make very big bases for the vehicles in themselves. It's a bit loose. I think I will need to screw it down. Maybe, I don't know. I'm having a hard time understanding if this is a plastic base or it's a metal base. By the weight, I think it's metal. It's just that all the extra other bits and pieces, I think they're all those are plastic. So it could be a mixture between both worlds. This one, I don't think it has opening parts. Doesn't look like it. I'm not gonna even try. Don't want to break anything. Lensed tail headlights. Actually, the tail lights are painted. Or they are separate. I'm actually, no, they are separate pieces. Yeah, okay. So yeah, I think I'm gonna leave the hitch on this one. I usually take the hitches off. Don't really like them, but I think this one's straight enough to keep it on. I might take it off camera. I don't know. I'll decide that. But yeah, let's have a roll test. Rolls super smooth without any issues whatsoever. So that is very good. So, and now for the Plymouth. This one comes with a plastic base. You have some crookedy wheels going on for the back, which was a super easy fix. So it just was a tire is slightly not straight on there, but that's not an issue much. Plus it gets the excuse of being like a project car, so you know, like these old steelies on it. Does it have an opening hood? As a project car, you should have an opening hood, but it does not. Also, the hood scoop is at least plastic. The rest of the car is metal. At least the top. Got some scratches right there. I don't know if that was from me or was there already before. Oh, I didn't notice this. We have like a patina, like old door, which actually that is cool. I thought it's going to be only like this. Didn't even think about that there's going to be something more on the other side. Let's have a look from the front. It looks like it's going to be sitting, leaning. I mean, not sitting. There's something weird going on in the... What's that? It's supposed to be in the middle there. It's like a broken off mirror or something. I don't know. Yeah, the front. Did I just straighten it out? I don't know. Okay, it has the craziest wobbles of the lifetime. Yeah, it's because of the front wheels. Yeah, the axle, I think, is bent. Or something. Something's not really... That's going really, really funky with it. It does roll. It's just as, like I said, this craziest wobbles of the lifetime. So yeah, the truck is a win. This is okay, and the trailer is a not really for me, but we can put them all together. So the problem here is that the trailer is starting to lift because the car is too far in the back, but you can, when you put it too far in the front, I don't know. This is how it should look together, but I don't really think this is... Well, it is good that it's catching the car at the back, so it's not the worst deal. But like I said, I have no place to display this trailer, so I have only space for the cars. I mean, so yeah, there you have it, guys. Hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.